Hello, welcome. Today we will talk about Owners Extranet. This is an exclusive area for owners, where they will be able to monitor the accountability for properties, status of reservations, calendar of listings, among other information. We will show you the main configurations and tools that you, as administrator that work with properties, can use on your accountability routine. Before beginning with the necessary configurations, remember to register your owner. To do that, go to the Systems menu, click on Users and Clients, and then select Owners. To create a new owner, select the Owner Accounts field and click on the plus green button on the left side to fill out the information that the system will require. You must fill out the basic information of the owner such as name, last name, and email. It is important to register the email, therefore it will be used to the extranet of your owner if you enable this option. This basic information is important, and if you want to add more details, just fill out the fields you wish, such as phone number, nationality, profession, preferred languages, and documents. After that, click Save and that's all. Here is the owner's profile. An important observation is that it was just the registration on the system. So the owner will access this extranet through your website, in which it will be possible to view everything about accounting and other information about the listings. To give access to the extranet, you need to click on the Create User button. By doing that, the basic information will be shown and you click Save. After that, the system will automatically send the credentials to the owner's email with the information about the registration, your website's link and login with password to access the extranet. Here you can view the email template that your owner will get. This is the website's link and the access credentials. Going back to the configuration options of the owner's profile, here on the left side, we have the Permissions field. Here you can indicate to the system the access to the extranet. Everything that you want to allow to the owner, you must select the option Yes, and what you do not want to allow, you must select No. Remember that this configuration is individual, that means, how it is set in each profile, it can vary according to each owner. Here we have the owner's permissions options, if you want to activate the available extranet for him, if it will be possible to block the listings calendar, to access the listings calendar, to request changing of price, to send messages to the listings manager, to view the amount, to view on the calendar the amount that he will receive for the reservation, if he will have access to the accountability panel, and if it will be possible to print the income and expenses on the extranet. It is important to know that after creating this user on the extranet, it is necessary to link this owner to a listing. To do that, go to the Listings menu and access a listing. Go to the Finance tab and then click on Contract Configuration. It is here that we will set the information about the listings owner. The first field is about setting the name of the owner that is responsible for the listing. Besides, you can also choose an owner's agent so that you can link someone on the team to be responsible for that owner. Here we have other internal information of your administration, of your contract with this owner by indicating when it was registered, if it is a sublease, and if it is an exclusive listing. Down below, you insert the dates of the contract duration and if you want to block the listing after the end of the contract. Here we have the information about the commission model, and you can choose the type of commission model, if it is fixed or not, and if you want to discount the amount before the forwarding of the sales channels. In this field, you select if you want to show the reservations on the owner's extranet calendar, even if the accountability has not started yet, how the pre-booking will be set to owners, how the reservations notifications will be set to owners, how the notifications between guests and owners will be set about cancellations, and how the notifications about the canceled reservations between guests and owners will be set. Down here you select if you want to show the bank data of the owner on the website and if you want to insert or take out the restriction about the accountability of this listing. After the individual configurations are done, you can also set the global permissions. That means that they will be valid to all of your owners. To do that, access settings, owner settings, permission, and what booking information do you want to show to the owners. On this part, you will be able to provide access to the owner by clicking Yes, and if you do not want to show the information, Click No. That means, if you will provide access to the owner to see the guest name, if he will be able to see from which sales channel the reservation has come, if it will be possible to see the amounts of the fees on the forwarding, and if the owners will be able to see the commission that you will receive with each reservation. After these configurations are done, your owners will be able to access the information on the extranet. Now let's present how your owners will view the information via extranet. They must go to the login area and insert the credentials. The owner will have access to the tabs inside this extranet, and here it is possible to see the reservations, a calendar area of the reservations, to My Accounting, that is, the area to have access to the accountability, and the confirmed reservations to view the confirmed reservations and also the forwarded ones. In the My Listings area, the owner can view the listings that are connected to his name with the calendar button on each listing indicated on the right side. It is also possible to review here on the left, the confirmed listings by the administrator, and in case the owner has a new property, in which he wants that the administrator manages it, he can add information of this property by clicking on this button Add Property. On the Booking Calendar tab, the owner has access to the selected property's calendar. It is possible to view per month or per year that you can see the next months by scrolling down the screen. By clicking on one reservation, you can see the information. It is important to remember that the viewed information appears according to the global permissions. In this case, it is forwarded and we can see the information. Reservations to be confirmed mean that it is not forwarded yet, and if you click on it, it is not possible to view the information. In the My Accounting area, the owner has access to the reservations that were forwarded, and he must filter the dates to the reservations and outcomes included within that period, so he can get the details of how much credit and debit he got and also the current amount. In the Confirmed Reservations area, it is possible to see all the forwarded reservations also within the period that the person filters. Finally, these are the main configurations so you can provide access to your owners to the extranet. If you would like to have more information about the subject, check out the links on the description below.